whole wheat pita bread pockets filled with assorted fresh veggies, chopped herbs, and grated cheddar cheese, tossed with a creamy Italian dressing. The request was for a healthy vegetarian sandwich idea, and these vegetarian pita bread sandwiches deliver. These sensational sandwiches check off all the boxes. Quick, easy, healthy, and you know us, they are exceedingly delicious. Let me show you how to make them. We're gonna start with the dressing. A few months back, we crafted a creamy dressing blended with feta cheese, mayo, fresh parsley, olive oil, red wine vinegar, parm, and our salad sprinkles seasoning blend. You can make the dressing in advance, have it at the ready. Now, how about we just run a little bit of music? You'll see me chopping up all the fresh veggies for this sandwich. You'll also see me using a vegetable mandolin with my safety guard. That's this recipe's pro tip. So hopefully you're catching the vibe of this delicious sandwich. All fresh vegetables, they are raw, and you're chopping them into bite-sized pieces. Now let me show you exactly what went into today's mix. Zucchini, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, cremini mushrooms, bean sprouts, shaved red onion, green onions, yellow bell pepper, and juicy cherry tomatoes. Light bulb moment, here is me inviting you to make this recipe your own. Feel free to use whichever vegetables you like. Make sure to check out the full recipe at weekendatthecottage.com to get a sense of the quantities we used, the yield on this recipe for Sammy's. Next, we're boosting the flavor by adding fresh herbs. Again, pick your favorites. Today I'm using fresh mint, basil, and parsley. Roughly chop them, then add them to the bowl. Toss everything together to combine, and here's a look at the healthy goodness these sandwiches always deliver. You ready? Let's bring it all home. You'll need about a cup of grated sharp Canadian cheddar. Hold a tiny bit back and then add maybe a half a cup of the dressing. You can add more to taste. Toss to combine. And now for the sandwiches. 2 pita bread. Today we're using whole wheat. Cut in half, then gently open the pita bread. Beautiful. Now tongs to fill the pita bread pockets with our vegetarian mix. Please don't be skimpy. Over to plates or paper-lined baskets. Sprinkle with a bit more cheese. Squeezy bottle for an additional drizzle of this very delicious dressing. Chips on the side. Good news, we just posted the full recipe at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. You can look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. Don't forget, thumbs up and drop us comments if you like this video. And then finally, when a sandwich is this sensational, take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Super healthy vegetarian pita bread sandwiches. Fill her up, then enjoy. Yay. I feel healthier already. So good.